Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. So today's video is a very soft, simple pink Valentine's Day makeup look, and I totally love the outcome of this look, especially the eyes and the lip combination is just great. So without further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial. So first I am just filling up my brows, and here I am using this Wet n Wild dark brown brow pencil. This brow pencil is really good if you are on a budget and you want to use something like this. Then this brow pencil is really good, and it's like it comes with one side applicator and the other side brush, which is really good. And this color dark brown really matches my brows, so I love it, and the brush is really good too. And here I am just brushing my brows up to set it up. Then I am taking this Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define. This is a concealer, and the consistency of this concealer is very thick. This is in the number C6, and I am just cleaning up my brows. At the same time, I will be like priming my eyelid for the eyes. So I will be applying more concealer on the eyelid just to prime the lid well, so that the pink eyeshadows will show up properly there. But the palette I have used is this Morphe palette, and this one is 35C, and all the shades in this palette is literally very pigmented. And I'm taking this light pink shade, and with the help of this Luxie crease brush 228 by Zoeva, I'm applying this shadow on the crease, as you guys can see here. Then I'm taking this peppery dark pink, as you guys can see here, this shadow, and I am applying this on the outer V of my eyes. And I am using this Luxie crease brush again, but in a different color. It's also by Zoeva, and I am like just blending it. So I am just applying, blending, applying, blending. This is what I'm doing, as you can see here. And then I am just taking a concealer. This concealer is again the same one by Makeup Revolution, and I am taking with a small brush, and I am just cutting the half cut crease. So this is a kind of half cut crease look, and I am just applying it till the half of my eyelid. Here I am taking this Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale, and this palette is by BH Cosmetic, and I am taking this it's a highlighting shade, and this one is called Lele, and I am going to apply this shade on the area I have applied my concealer, so only on the lid, as you can see here. This shadow is like a very shimmery shade, which I love it. It's also like, I think it's a highlighter too. So then I am taking this more of this dark pink shade with the same crease brush, a Luxie crease brush I have used before, and I am just blending it here so that there is no harsh line. So here I am adding more of that Lele shimmer shade, that highlighting shade, and like I think I have lost some, so I am adding more of that. Here I am taking this Mellow Cosmetics pen eyeliner. This is a black liner, and I am just creating a wing, as you can see here. It's nothing too much, it's only a simple wing, as I do always. Then here I am taking my accessory lashes from Kmart, and this lashes is literally so good, and like I love it. It's like it's inexpensive, and I think this will go so well with this look. And here I am just adding the duo lash glue, and when the lash glue is tacky, then I am just applying it as usual. I do like this, and like it's just that simple. And then here I am taking this Pore Filler Primer by NYX, and this primer is literally so good. It minimizes the pores, and like it creates a smooth finish, and it also like keeps your makeup last long, I think so. And this can be worn over, under, or without makeup. Then I am taking this Tarte Tape Shape Foundation, and this foundation is literally a dark shade for my skin. So this one is a 10 deep golden shade, and literally this Tarte foundation is just amazing. I love it, and like if you guys are loving it, let me know in the comment box below. And then I have sprayed some of the setting spray on the blender, and here I am just blending it up with a Morphe Beauty blender, and it's just simple, and it looks dark here, but is after applying concealer it will just come together. So yeah, here I am taking the same Tarte Tape Shape concealer, and this one is in shade medium sand 345, and literally this concealer is really thick, and I love the consistency. You don't have to apply too much of this product, but little goes a long way. I love it so much, and like it lasts long. It doesn't crease under my eyes at all. Like it creases little bit, but like you have to be very quick because it dries very quickly, both the foundation and the concealer. So after you have blended it, you have to set it up very quickly so that it will prevent it from creasing. So yeah, that's why I have done it very quickly. Then I am taking this Ofra Cosmetics banana powder to set all the areas up where I have applied the concealer. And the brush here I am using is by BH Cosmetic, their powder brush or contour brush. I have got no idea right now, but I think it's a contour brush which I love using for applying powders under my eye area because it's a bit small and I love it so much. So also I have applied some powders around my nose area and around my lips, as you guys can see here, just because that's the place where creases a lot on my face. So here I am taking this Wet n Wild contouring palette. So I just love this contour. It really it's really soft, smooth, and like it does its job very well. And I am using the Morphe contour brush. And here I am taking this blush by Tarte Cosmetic. This is their first class 12-hour blush, and this one is such a gorgeous shade, and like it's that rose pink or like that I don't know how to tell you guys about this blush, but it's very soft, smooth, and like it lasts really long too. And the brush here I am using, I bought it from eBay. It's a blush brush. And yeah, it's time to glow now. So here I am taking this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Look at it, it's just wow. I love it. The glow is just real, baby. And the brush here I am using is of course by BH Cosmetic. It's their highlighter brush, I think, and I literally love this highlighter. And I am taking this same highlighter with a small brush. This is a shader brush, inner corner shader brush, E46 by Sigma, and I am applying this on the inner corner of my eyes and also on the brow bone area. And this is the same brush I have used on the eyelid, I think. And here I am just setting it up with this Master Fix setting spray by Maybelline, and literally this setting spray is really good and affordable too. It's a drugstore product. And then I am just dabbing this up with my fingers to get a very flawless look. Then I am just lining my waterline with this Ulta 3 black liner, and this liner is really good. It's really pigmented and it's very inexpensive too. And then I'm taking this same dark pink shade with a pencil brush, and I am just smudging the black liner I have applied it earlier. And here I am taking this Tarte mascara, and this mascara is really good if you are not wearing false lashes. This mascara it makes your lashes look very long. So today I will be mixing these three lipstick, lip liner and lip gloss for this look. So first I will be applying this Maybelline Color Show. Actually, you guys won't believe it, it's a eyeliner. I am using this for my lips just because it's very pigmented and I love it for my lips. And who cares what you are applying on your lips and on your eyes, it's your face, you can apply anything. So I am just filling it up with this liner, and this one is in shade Matita Ochi. And then I am applying this Tarte's lip paint, and this one is in shade Fuhu. And literally I love this lip color. It's so pigmented and oh my gosh, I love it. You can just leave the look like this and it looks really pretty. Okay, just wait a minute. Give a glossy look to this lip. With this same look you can give two looks at the same time, one matte, one glossy. So I love this Colourpop Playback metallic lip gloss, and this is literally one of my favorite lip gloss. And oh my gosh, this is the finished look. What you guys think about this look? If you like it, do subscribe, like, comment and share this video. If you wish to see more, hit that notification bell, and bye. I will catch you all later in my next video. Thanks for watching.